Hello my dear students. In my previous video, I explained you exercise 4.3 simple equation from NCERT book. This is for class 7. Now, two questions were left, so I want to explain, and these sums are very important and very easy. See, second question, this is exercise 4.3, second question A part. 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. See, this sum is very easy. Here, look at the board. 2 is multiplier. So, when we send 2 in another side, it will come in division. So, x plus 4 will be equal to 12 upon 2. So, x plus 4 is equal to 6. Now, it will become very simple question. x will be equal to 6 minus 4. यहाँ पे प्लस हो रहा है तो दूसरी साइड जाके माइनस हो जाएगा. As I explained you in my previous videos also. So, x is equal to 2. सिर्फ यहाँ पे ये ध्यान रखना है, मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, दूसरी तरफ डिवाइड होगा, प्लस हो रहा है. इफ यू सेंड अनदर साइड इट विल बी इन सब्ट्रैक्शन. नेक्स्ट वन 3 into n minus 5 is equal to 20. Same type of question is this. 3 will go this side and it will come in division. 21 upon 3 is 7. So n is equal to 7 plus 5. n will be equal to 12. Okay. Next one 3 into n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. बच्चे सीधे आंसर दे देते हैं बिना कुछ सोचे समझे. मैम minus 12. No, it is not minus 12. n minus 5 is equal to minus 21 upon 3. n minus 5 is equal to minus 7. Now send minus 5 in other side. Minus 7 plus 5 answer is minus 2. What you people are doing when you send minus 5 in other side, minus 5 को पहले लिख लेते. नहीं, लाइन है, क्यू है, यू हैव टू बाय समथिंग, यू हैव टू स्टैंड एट द एंड. आपको लास्ट में खड़ा होना है, ये नहीं कि आप बीच में कहीं पे भी जाके लग जाओगे. यू हैव टू स्टैंड एट द एंड साइड. माइनस 7 प्लस 5, बच्चे बहुत गलती करते हैं. माइनस 12 आ जाता है, प्लस 12 आ जाता है. नहीं, इफ द नंबर्स आर हैविंग अपोजिट साइन, subtract the smaller number from the bigger one and put the sign of the bigger number. 7 minus 5 करेंगे, 2 will be the answer and minus 7 is bigger, so put minus sign. ठीक है. Now do D part. Minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. Very easy question. We will send minus 4 in other side. 2 plus x is equal to 8 upon minus 4. यहाँ बच्चों ने मुझे बहुत कहा था मैम 8 plus 4. Why 8 plus 4? Minus 4 is multiplier. So it will go in division. This is equal to minus 2. So x will be equal to minus 2 minus 2. X is equal to minus 4. ठीक है. This is the way to solve the question. बच्चे यही गलतियाँ करते हैं कि इसको plus 4 कर देते हैं and फिर they will argue कि मैम my answer is right. No, this is wrong. It is in the multiplication, so when you send in another side, it will come in division. Clear? Now last part of this question, 4 into 2 minus x is equal to 8. See, these sums are very easy. If your concepts are clear, you can solve any question. So 2 minus x is equal to 8 upon 4. 2 minus x is equal to 2. Minus x is equal to 2 minus 2. This is equal to 0. Minus x is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. This is your second question, all the parts. Now we will start third question. I will explain this sum in another method. 4 is equal to 5p minus 2. All of you know distributive property. That is a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. That means whatever is outside it will multiply with the both the numbers. जैसे पेरेंट्स घर में आते हैं तो सब बच्चों के लिए कुछ ना कुछ गिफ्ट लाते हैं. इन द सेम वे a is distributed to all the terms. ठीक है. So 4 is equal to 5p minus 10. 5p is equal to 4 plus 10. So 5p will be equal to 14. p is equal to 14 upon 5. Right? Now in the same way we will do other parts. You should know what is the distributive property and we will use here the same thing. Second question also we will do in the same way, but that will be divisible, so I was use another method. -4 इज इक्वल टू 5p माइनस 5 टू ज़ा 10। ठीक है, सेकेंड गलती क्या होती है, यहाँ +10 हो जाता है, 5 इंटू -2 -10 विल कम, हम -10 को दूसरी तरफ ले जाएंगे, 10 - 4 6, so p is equal to 6/5, this is the answer. Then third one, 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. Very easy. 16 minus 4. Now children will can say बेटा यहाँ +4 है, 4 plus 3 7 करते हैं, 4 plus 3 7 नहीं होगा, 4 plus 3 into something है, ठीक है, तो 12 is equal to 3 into t plus 2. Now we can solve this question either by this method or the method which I explained for the question number 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 वाले मेथड से कर लेते हैं, बहुत आसान लगता है मुझे। 4 is equal to t plus 2, so t is equal to 4 minus 2, t will be equal to 2. So very easy question. Now we will do one more question. 2 sums are left. Fourth is 4 plus 5 p minus 1 is equal to 34. This is the fourth part. 4 will go on other side. 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34 minus 4. So 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 30. P minus 1 is equal to 30/5. All of you know this is 6. So p minus 1 is equal to 6. P will be equal to 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. Right? Now the last question of this video is 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 times m minus 6. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4m minus 24. 0 चाहे इधर लिखें या उधर लिखें, एक ही बात है। 0 will be equal to 4m. 16 minus 24 is minus 8. Now we will send 0 minus 8 on the other side. It will come in plus 8. 4m is equal to 8. M will be equal to 8/4. So m is equal to 2. This is the last question. So all of you see my video and clear your concept so that you can solve any question. Okay. All the best. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.